also Lake Winnie's are here, by the way, for the people I was talking to earlier about it. The guys who are visiting Chattanooga just to visit, there's also an amusement park called Lake Winnie. You should definitely take them to that.
That's what I was talking about.
Oh yeah, the Lake Winnie thing.
Yeah, we wanted to check it out.
If you're visiting up here too, do that. It's
Oh, cool. We're thinking about them.
And I know they have military discounts on Mondays, so.
Wow. Whoa.
Wow. This is the first place he's ever standing.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Hey man.
It's crazy. Look at that. Crazy.
That was nuts.
Gorgeous.
Where's the hell mountain you see?
I know.
One side of the mountain.
Crazy.
Oh, punch your head.
I know. Oh my goodness. Oh. The cactus and candle. Oh my goodness.
Give somebody some room.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cactus and candles.
Alrighty, can my caboose hear me?
Not yet.
I take that as a no. Your silence answers my question. Oh, goodness. Now can the caboose hear me? There we are. Alrighty guys, we're coming up on our first stop. It's called our cactus and our candle. This is no longer an active formation and it is a stalagmite, but it is no longer active, so you can't touch this one. We ask that you don't touch any other ones just because the oils from your hands can stunt the growth, and we really would like to keep them growing and not really. We want them to grow and stay beautiful. Also, a little tip for y'all. We like to call the water droplets that you get on your face or any other part of your body cave kisses or being kissed by Ruby. So if you get about 10 of them, they say you should go play the lottery.
Wow. Cool.
Just a heads up.
From the Diary of Leo Lambert, December 31st, 1928. We were all amazed at the incredible things we observed in this new area. We originally entered the caverns through a small opening at the elevator shaft, and we crawled for 7 hours until we could finally stand up. We eventually
I was
found
guessing
our
you were
way
taking
to
a video, so-
Yeah.
formations
Thank you.
all around. One looks like a large wax candle, another one like a cactus. I've spent my life studying formations, but I have never seen anything like this. Stalactites growing from the ceiling or overhead throughout this area, and stalagmites coming up from the ground, as well as columns where the two meet.
You can see
Right here.
you see the dynamite where they blew it up.
Oh yeah, throw dynamite homes.
Alright. Head back down Leo's passage and then you'll be able to just so you can see everything on your back. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. If you look right there, you're gonna see the donkey's butt. The donkey's butt.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at down there.
Oh man.
Nope. Wow, look at that.
Just because we got people in front of us.
I'm curious, what is Rock City about?
Yeah, y'all can sit on the rocks up here. Y'all take a seat and wait. You got people up here.
Alright. What's Rock City about?
Rock City, I have no idea. I know it's outdoor, you lead yourself basically. They've got, I know it leads out to where you can see the 7 states, I think.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that kind of lookout point. Kind of
Yeah. But it is really pretty up there. I've been through there. You lead yourself. I think that's the one plus about it.
Whoa. Notice.
Alright, you guys do the thread up there. You're going to see the fish formation.
Oh, yeah. So it's a fish on.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Hey, come back to this kid. Come back to this kid. I'm a health dreams and I train in business.
Wow, look at that right there.
Oh, yeah, that was right there. The rock thing. Oh, the like bridge. That looked like. Oh, there's some up here.
Alright. Piece up here. Also, we have our Myrtle the turtle right here. You know, you kind of have a conversation with him when you've got one of the smaller groups and you're asking him, well, Myrtle, why are you still there? Why aren't you up on the wall? And he said, I'm just scared of heights, guys. But besides that, for the people who didn't hear me earlier, there's a little over 2,000 stalactites up on the ceiling from where we were to all the way over here. There's a bunch of them. But another little fun fact, which isn't very fun, kind of aggravates me, is that back in the days when we first opened, there were some tour guides and there were some tourists that when they were left behind in the group, they would climb up and they would rip off the stalactites. And as you can see, that's why some of them are flat. So that's why they made a state law against it. It's because it ruins the stalactites and it kills them instantly there. So now you get to listen to this.
From the diary of Leo.
Dragon foot.
I saw it a little bit.
We see it on our way back.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. No, actually, I was taking everything in me to slow down. Because they're backed up in here. I'm trying not to run into the caboose again, but I can hear bacon pinging in. Alrighty, guys, look right up here. You'll see our angel swing drake formation. They are less than half of an inch thick, and you can stand right under them. You can see.
Oh, I see.
Plus, it's the perfect place for you guys to get pictures.
Oh my gosh.
One way in, one way out.
Where did y'all see the angel swing at?
Oh my goodness.
It's all around the car. Oh, okay. Oh, is that up there in the light? Yeah. See up there in the light?
Yeah, I didn't see it either, honey. Don't feel bad.
You all had to laugh this week. Passed underneath a delicate drake formation that looked like a huge slice of bacon. Another formation that looked almost exactly like a giant potato chip. At this point, one of our exploration team complained of hunger. Nature apparently has a sense of humor.
I'm sorry for the delay, guys, but we are.
Yeah, I'll go. We'll take the... Ah. Yeah.
How's this? Has to do with the rain?
How's it rain? Yeah. Sticky potato.
So they repurposed all the rock from inside the cave.
Uh-huh.